How to protect yourself against coronavirus. There are many different forms of the coronavirus, and the most recent outbreak is known as the 2019 novel coronavirus, or COVID-19. This strain of the coronavirus originally came from Wuhan in China and has now spread to many different countries around the world in small clusters. Unlike other types of coronavirus, this strain can spread from person to person and is highly contagious. Currently, there is no vaccine or medical cure for the virus other than the body's own immune system. In today's video, we will explore 14 ways to protect yourself against coronavirus if this becomes an epidemic in your country or a pandemic situation if it spreads worldwide. 1. Limit exposure. You are more likely to catch coronavirus in closed environments, where other people are present, such as public trains, buses, airplanes, hospitals, clinics, churches, and other closed areas. These types of places magnify the risk of infection, as you are more likely to come into contact with infected saliva droplets. In the event of a large-scale infection or epidemic, it is recommended to stay at home indoors to reduce the risk for your family. 2. Wash hands. The coronavirus can survive on surfaces for up to 5 days, such as on doorknobs, toilet seats, countertops, switches, and handles. For this reason, it is important to wash the hands regularly in warm soapy water. You can also use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer, which may help to kill the virus. However, regular soap and hot water is the most effective. Be sure to wash the hands for at least 20 seconds. It has recently been shown that the virus is also found in stools and diarrhea, so beware of public toilets. 3. Protective equipment. The coronavirus is highly contagious and is transmitted via tiny droplets of liquid that contain this RNA virus. Infected people may show no symptoms or fever for up to 2 to 5 days after infection, yet can still spread the virus to others. This means that someone who appears perfectly healthy yet has caught coronavirus could still cough or sneeze and spread the virus unknowingly. Droplets of infected fluid can infect you if they come into contact with your mucous membranes, including your eyes, mouth, nose, genital region, anus, or stomach. In the extreme event that this does become a widespread problem, we recommend wearing quality protective equipment. A high-quality N95 or K2 medical mask can help to protect your nose and mouth from coming into contact with the virus. Some cheap varieties may not be as effective. You may also wear wraparound safety glasses to protect your eyes from coming into contact with coronavirus water droplets. Latex-free disposable gloves are always useful when touching surfaces to prevent your hands from contacting the virus and then later transmitting this to yourself. Remember that this virus can live on surfaces for up to 5 days, especially in closed public areas. 4. Awareness. In this situation, it is important to stay aware of the infection rate in your country and local areas so that you can stay apprised and protect your family. We have shared some links below the video to a live map of current known cases, as well as updates from the World Health Organization, Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and National Health Service in the UK. Stay vigilant and keep updated on this disease, as viruses have the potential to mutate and adapt to different environments. 5. Travel. If you are planning on traveling in the near future, we recommend checking your travel insurance to ensure that you are covered for COVID-19. You can check the live map linked in the description to see areas which are affected and avoid traveling to these places. In the event of a pandemic, you should be avoiding crowds, mass transit, and closed environments like aeroplanes. 6. Immune system. The coronavirus fatality rate or death rate is currently around 3.4%. Most people can fight off the infection with no difficulties. However, those over the age of 60 have a higher risk of complications. Currently, the virus is shown to be dangerous for those with cardiovascular disease, hypertension, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and other underlying health problems. If you fall into these risk categories, then it is recommended to begin supercharging your immune system in order to protect your health with the following strategies. 7. Vitamin D3 and K2. Vitamin D is one of the most important nutrients involved in the immune system and protecting your body from invaders like the coronavirus and other infections. You get this naturally when your skin is exposed to the sun, however it's harder to get during the winter. D3 and K2 work together in the body to aid breathing, strengthen the cardiovascular system, promote better blood flow and modulate your immune system. The best combination would be 10,000 IUs of vitamin D3 with 100 micrograms of K2. This dosage can be taken up to 3 times per day to supercharge your health. 8. Intermittent fasting. Fasting has been used for centuries by different civilizations as a way to strengthen the body and fight disease. Eating all of your calories in a 5-hour window during the day gives your body an extra 19 hours to rest, digest, and stimulate a process called autophagy. When you fast, your cells begin to clear out viruses, bacteria, fungi, and parasites in a cleansing action. This can help to boost your immune system and help protect from viral infections. 9. Wheatgrass juice powder. A good quality source of antioxidants and the natural vitamin C complex can also boost your immune system and make you more resistant to infection. Wheatgrass juice powder should be mixed into a glass of water daily in order to do this. This powder lowers inflammation, creating better blood flow and a faster immune response. 10. Nutrient-dense diet. To further boost your immune system, you should be consuming non-processed nutrient-dense foods like sauerkraut, blackberries, pumpkin seeds, extra virgin coconut oil, avocados, bell peppers, wild-caught salmon, and cod liver oil. The essential fatty acids found in oily fish and cod liver oil strengthen the outer walls of the cells to protect them from viruses. 11. Garlic. This is the #1 most potent food for destroying viruses and pathogens in the body. We highly recommend consuming garlic daily during a pandemic situation as it contains extraordinary compounds that can protect you from all kinds of infections. 12. Apple cider vinegar. One of the most important parts of your immune system are called phagocytes. These cells engulf and absorb infected particles, including bacteria, fungi, yeast, as well as dead cells and debris in the body. Taking apple cider vinegar daily can help to speed up phagocytes for a stronger immune system by strengthening the acidity in the stomach. This also helps you to absorb more minerals in the digestive system. 13. Zinc. This is the most important trace mineral needed by the immune system and increases T cells so that your body can quickly destroy invaders. This is found highly concentrated in pumpkin seeds and crab meat. 14. Refined foods. When trying to strengthen your body against viruses, it is important to cut back on refined foods like bread, cereal, sugars, and white rice. These processed carbs create nutritional deficiencies in the body which weakens your immune system. Previous pandemics such as the Spanish flu in 1918 had a high death rate as people were malnourished from World War I. As you can see, there are many steps you can take to protect against coronavirus for yourself and your family. If the virus does become a larger problem and is declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization, then it will be important to stay away from enclosed public areas where lots of people may be spreading the virus. Stay vigilant, keep up to date using the links below the video, and start strengthening your immune system immediately. We hope you found this information useful. Be sure to share this with your family and friends so that they understand how to protect themselves if the virus becomes widespread. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.